Welcome back to the Simba the Speaker channel. I am Simba the Speaker, your cleaning guide to cleaning business success. If you're new to the channel, please, actually, let me grab my mic real quick. Nonetheless, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification as well. At the end of this video, if you felt like I gave value or I put an effort to give you some value, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button. That would help out so much. To anyone that is not new to this channel, you've been here before, I appreciate you. Thank you for the support. Now, one thing I would like to say to all my viewers, whether it be my older, my new viewers, go watch my previous videos. A lot of them stack upon one another when it comes to the information, so it helps you, when I'm talking about more information here, you kind of recognize some of the topics in some of the other videos I've posted before. Now, with that being said, if you go to the details of the video, I have two very important links. My first link is my school community link. My second link is my Calendly link. Now, with the school community, that is our free community where we talk about everything remote cleaning business. And then the second link, which is our Calendly link, is our one-on-one Calendly link where we can do a one-on-one consultation. So definitely book a consultation. If you want to start a remote cleaning business yourself, maybe you're looking to start a remote cleaning business to pay bills, to pay debt, put money into your children's college fund, maybe take your family out to a vacation, right? You can run the same business model with a 9-to-5, or you can use this business model to go 100% all in entrepreneurship. So definitely book a consultation and let's get going. For the sake of this time, I want to go straight into the video. We're going to talk about how to become the go-to cleaning company in your city. If you see my previous videos, I talk about my laptop and my two monitors here. So if you see me look left or right or down, you know why. Let's get into it. It's like a curved monitor. It's like a really big monitor. So sorry guys. Let me put I feel like the light's a little tough. That's better. So with that being said, nice monitor allows me to kind of see everything, or I can see it on a laptop. It doesn't really matter. Nonetheless, at the end of this video, I want to add I have a bonus tip. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip here. So if you stay to the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus tip referring to the same topic. How to become the go-to cleaner in your company, in your city. How to become the go-to cleaning company in your city. So ultimately, when you are in a city, right, you will have competition, but that doesn't stop you from wanting to be the best cleaning company in your city. And so what that looks like is obviously having to dominate that area. So what are some tips? What are some ways that you can dominate the area? Now, before I go into this, remember this. There are more houses than there are cleaning companies. So there's enough property for everybody, right? Second, because not every cleaning company is professional and they don't really stand out from one another, there's a lot more houses for companies that do stand out, and so there is a lot to gain, right? So when we talk about how to dominate, how to be the go-to cleaning company in your city, what you want to do is dominate one area first. And I think this is very true, right? Whenever you're a local cleaning company, especially a remote cleaning company, I think the biggest thing is to find one area that you're going to go into and dominate that area. What does that look like? Stack reviews in that area, right? So if you're doing, let's say if you are doing San Francisco, or let's say you're doing, Houston, right? Houston is one I like to bring up a lot. Let's say you are doing Houston. What you're going to want to do is stack reviews in the area, in the Houston area. This is what I mean by when I say my videos stack upon one another. I have talked about a couple of videos in which if you want to become known in a certain market, whenever you get reviews, I'm about to drop a gem, so listen up. Whenever you get reviews, have the actual client put like Houston, house cleaning in Houston. Have them put certain keywords that show that you're in this one area. And this is what I mean by when I say go back to my videos, because you would be able to understand. Stack reviews in that area. So if you're in Houston, get as many reviews as you can in Houston. Now, don't get me wrong. If you are getting reviews in other areas, that's okay. But if you want to dominate one area first, you're going to want to make sure that your reviews reflect the area that you're trying to dominate. Do multiple houses in the same neighborhood. If you are in a neighborhood, try to get as many houses in that neighborhood. If you're going to do Houston, you're going to keep it to this local place, this one area. Do as many houses in this one area as possible. Do as many houses in this one area as possible. Ask for referrals nearby. This is perfect. If you want to dominate this one area, the best thing to do is ask for referrals. Especially when you're in a neighborhood and you're doing a certain property. Let's say you're doing the house on the left. Why not ask for a referral for the house on the right? If you watch my previous videos as well, we talk about this. How you can use first time discounts to be able to incentivize clients that are what you can do it both ways, right? You can give obviously a discount to a client that gives you a referral that books, and you can give a first time cleaning discount to the actual person that was referred to you if they book as well. So what you could do is ask for referrals nearby and make sure that you incentivize that as well on both ends, and then run hyper local marketing. If you want, what you could do is run a lot of marketing, a lot of ads in that one local area. Now the thing about it is the average cleaning company is not running a lot of marketing or a lot of campaigns, and they're probably not running any marketing at all. So if you come in one area and you not saturate, but if you come in one area and you go all in with your marketing dollars in that one area, you will 100% stand out. And I can attest to that because I did that. Instead of putting all my marketing dollars and spreading out at first, what I did was I found one area that I wanted to dominate, and I put a lot of my marketing dollars in that one area. And once you concentrate in that one area, you pop up more than a lot of the other cleaning companies. The second thing is go win Google, right? Google is everything. Reviews equal authority. Google is everything. So what you want to do is you want to win on Google, right? Get 50 strong reviews. Personally, I do have 50 here because I want 50 to be the baseline, but in all honesty, get 100. Go for 100 strong reviews, especially if you're trying to dominate one area. I promise you will not be stopped unless your competitors outrank you when it comes to the amount of reviews that they have. 50 strong reviews, consistent new reviews monthly, keywords in reviews. Remember, I was talking about this just now, right? And this is the same thing I was talking about in our last video as well. You want to be very intentional with your reviews. A lot of people are not talking about this. I've spent money on mentorship and learning about the cleaning game as well. People are not talking about this type of stuff. You want to get your keywords in your reviews so that people understand the area that you are in. And granted, that doesn't mean someone from another area may not book you, but it helps you dominate one area, especially based on these keywords that they put in the reviews, right? So what you want to do is make sure you're dominated on Google. Make sure you have before and after pictures. Make sure your Google My Business profile is strong. Make sure you're getting a lot of reviews, consistent reviews. Make sure that you are active on Google My Business. Make sure that within the reviews that you're getting that their keywords in the reviews. Now, the last one I want to talk about is deliver consistency. Consistency. And so I have this here that says go-to companies don't just market well, they deliver the same results every time. If you are going to be someone that dominates in one area, it's a double-edged sword. If you do good, you get a lot of referrals, you get a lot of clients. If you do bad, or if you are inconsistent, word spreads. And now you become the company that is inconsistent and you're not getting referrals. So it's a double-edged sword, but if you do good, it can play out right. Deliver consistency. Always send out your cleaning checklist. Always have your quality control system. What is that looking like? Maybe having a cleaner do before and after pictures, making sure you're sending the cleaning checklist, making sure we're sending out like a review link after to see how everything was done. Going back to that follow-up message, you want to follow up with clients, right? We should be following up same day, especially if you have a cancellation policy that says, hey, if you not a cancellation, my apologies, especially if you have a reclean policy that says, hey, if you let us know within 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours, we'll come and do the reclean. You need to be following up the same day, because it's technically unfair to say, hey, let us know in 24 hours. Yes, they can let you know, and you didn't do any follow-up. You didn't see how anything went. And even if they don't say anything, let's say they don't want the reclean. What if they now put a bad review on your Google My Business profile? And so at that point, now you're messing up this area, because now you're getting weak reviews, right? I'm going to say strong bad reviews, but now you're getting weak reviews, which will do the inverse. So with that being said, you want to set up those follow-up messages the minute the cleaner is done. Make sure you have that satisfaction guarantee. Once again, if it's not cleaned within 24 hours, we'll take care of it. But the best way to make sure you can live up to this is by making sure you're doing all these three. Return the checklist so there's no miscommunication, right, on what is supposed to be done. If you do a quality control system, make sure you send up the follow-up messages. You'll be good to go. You'll be able to live up to that satisfaction guarantee. If it was done wrong and the cleaning was not good and it was on us, we'll take care of it. And after we take care of it, we'll even ask for a review. I would rather take a 4-star review that says, hey, they messed up, but I respect the fact that they came back and re-cleaned and they made it better with no hassle, than to get a 1 or 2-star review and say, hey, they messed up and didn't even try to correct the situation. So dominate the area. You Google reviews equal authority, and I talk about this in my previous video. Reviews build trust among local communities. One of the strongest things you could do to dominate a local community or to get what I like to call good face or have credibility with the local community reviews. When local communities see that people within the community are using you and they're happy and they're safe and they're proud of using you and they say that you are professional and amazing, this is everything. And you do this by delivering consistency. You do this by delivering consistency as well. And so that is how you can become the go-to cleaning company in your city. Let's actually get to this bonus tip. Sorry, guys. Let's get to this bonus tip. Partner with local players. This is a beautiful bonus tip. Partner with local players. Look, if you want to dominate an area, you should be working with everybody in that area that can give you business. Go back to my previous videos, and I talk about working with realtors, property managers, Airbnb hosts, moving company apartment complexes. These people can give you, without any marketing dollars, this group alone can make you a lot of money. That's spending no marketing dollars. We want to partner with these people, especially in the local area. A lot of times, and I was talking to actually somebody today, a lot of times people within the local areas like to use contractors within their local areas. They don't really care to outsource. Like if I'm in Houston, why do I want to find a cleaner all the way in San Antonio? Why do I want to find a cleaner in 30 hour and a half away when I can just use someone within the local area? So a good tip that I wanted to add is make sure that you're partnering with local players. You reach out to them via email, reach out to them via SMS, maybe get on a phone call, hop on Zoom, take them out to lunch. Just find a way to partner with them. I always say making money is a team sport. Making money is a team sport, so you want to be able to partner with these people here. So with that being said, once again, I appreciate you guys watching these videos. What I'm trying to do, I know sometimes because of the passion that I put in these videos, sometimes my videos can be longer. But what I want to do is just go straight into it, right? And that's why I had this new whiteboard here that I've been using, because at this point, I just want to go straight into it. A lot of times I was even typing as well, but I want the information to be here. I just want to be able to explain the context of the information, and let's get going, right? And the beauty of it is I do it like this so that you can literally at any time pause the video, write this stuff down, because statistics shows when you write something down, you retain it better. Write it down, take pictures, right? You can figure all this out, and we can kind of go from there. So I really want you guys to, especially when you're starting a remote cleaning business, find the area that you can dominate. Find the area you can dominate, put all your resources in that area, and then from there, stack on other areas to dominate as well. So once again, if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe. Man, it's getting late. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, dropping videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Drop videos every Tuesday and Thursdays. Hit the like button as well. It means a lot. If you got some value from the video, definitely hit the thumbs up. Everything. Comment below as well if you would like to leave a comment. Now, as well, within the details of this video, I have two links. The two links are my school community link, where you can know how to start, automate, and scale a remote cleaning business. As well, you can book a free consultation. Like I said, if you're looking to start a remote cleaning business, or maybe you have one, you're just trying to figure everything out, and you just kind of stuck with in these certain roadblocks and bumps, book a free consultation. Let's see what we can do. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.